How to verify your Binance account. Firstly, log into your personal Binance account and mouse over the profile icon. Then click on the account and go to the identification option available there. Now tap on the Get Verified option available in yellow highlights. And then select your country of residence and simply tap on the Continue option available there. After that, enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with the ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Next, you will need to verify your ID documents. You can take a photo with your phone camera or upload photos. Choose an option and click Continue. You will need to complete a liveness check. Follow the instructions to take a video of yourself. Please enable camera access on your device and do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. So that is it. Binance will review your data in a timely manner, and once your application has been verified, they will send you a notification. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.